Doc, ano po ba yung pertussis at ano po ang dapat kong gawin para maiwasan ito? Hi, this is Dr. Candice Iller at ako po ay isang pediatrician, and today we're going to talk about pertussis or mas kilala bilang whooping cough. Now, ito po ay isang kondisyon na nakakahawa at caused about by a bacteria na tinatawag na Bordetella pertussis. Now, the symptoms would start usually from the first 5 days to 1 week, wherein meron po tayong ubo, merong sipon, merong konting lagnat, and minsan pagsusuka. Pero on the second week, meron na pong worsening of the symptoms, meron pang pabugso-bugsong ubo, minsan nangingitim, meron po siyang sound na tinatawag na whoop, parang nahihirapan na po silang huminga, no? So, nakakatakot po siya lalong na po sa ating mga babies na hindi na po nababakunahan. So, importante po to avoid po nito ay magpabakuna po sa ating mga centers or sa iyong pinakamalapit na pediatrician. So, you will be guided on what to do. Now, so if you think your baby has these symptoms, bring to the nearest health center or the nearest pediatrician, because treatment po is antibiotics because this is a bacteria. Now, to avoid po nito, remember, meron po tayong 3 vaccinations for our pertussis. Kasama po yan ng diphtheria and tetanus na combination available po sa ating mga health center. So, 3 doses po yan or 3 vaccinations. Usually given less than 1 year of age, no? And then, meron po tayong isang booster at 1 year old, another po at 4 to 6 years old, and another booster at 11 years old, no? And for those adults, pwede din po bigyan, lalo na those immunocompromised. So, best po to ask your friendly neighborhood pediatrician or the nearest health center.